Hey everyone, Lucas at Laminex, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Laminex fuel door guards on my 2021 Subaru WRX. Let's go. To start, you just want to clean the fuel door using some water and a soft cloth to remove any dust, dirt, or lint or debris because you don't want that to get trapped underneath the adhesive as we install. Then remove your pre-cut fuel door guard from the liner, keeping track of which side is up and which side is down. Our pre-cuts do require perfect alignment, so use the bottom of your fuel door to align the Laminex perfectly, and then use your fingers to tack it on best you can, kind of using a sweeping motion with your thumb. And then we'll spray the outside layer of Laminex with water, and that's going to serve as a lubrication layer as we take our squeegee with 4 fingers equally distributed on it to squeegee all the water out from underneath the Laminex and completely apply the Laminex kit down. And you may have a few imperfections or air bubbles, but over time the heat from the sun will evaporate those out to look absolutely perfect. And then just wipe up the extra water with the soft cloth once more, and now your fuel door is completely protected. So as you're shutting your fuel door from getting gas and you might have your keys in your hand, or your fuel door suffers any more damage for whatever reason, the Laminex actually takes the damage instead of the paint, and it can be removed anytime. We also make paint protection products in the form of door edge guards, door cup guards, rocker panel guards, A-pillar guards, rear bumper guards, and a complete clear ball kit that's designed for maximum protection. If you want to learn more about our paint protection products, visit our website laminex.com or watch our previous installation videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Take care.